Hey friends, if you wish to use Snap layouts on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. But first of all, we need to enable these Snap layouts. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to system, scroll down, click on multitasking, and for Snap Windows, make sure that the switch is on. Okay, and you can check all of these options, but if you wish to disable any one of these properties, you can. For example, show Snap layouts when I drag a window to the top of my screen. That happens by default, but if you wish to disable it, you can. Now, how do we use these Snap layouts? So press the Windows key and the Z key together, Windows plus Z, and you'll get the option for Snap layout. So you can check the kind of layout you want. For example, if you want this layout, as you can see that I had 3 windows open and now they are in the Snap layout format. And then I can also change it to this one if I wish to toggle between two. And if I click on it once again, then I can change the properties a little. Now, if I wish to give a little more consideration to one screen and not the other, then I will use this one. In this case, I see the snaps here, and in the right pane, I can see one application. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.